Hey, hi there. We'll be learning about fractions today. You might be asking what a fraction is. Well, we can tell you. A fraction is a number or numbers that tells part of an entire set, a whole set.
Okay.
So
what is that piece?
this is one whole, one whole.
Okay, so now we're going to compare these different colored pieces to one whole. Okay, so first let's look at the piece that has the least amount of pieces. Where's the piece? What
Yes.
color?
Red.
Red. So how many pieces do you have there?
2.
So that's right there. 2.
Yep.
So in a fraction, that 2 represents what?
Whole.
What does the 2 represent? You got the pieces there.
2 of them.
2 of them. So when you compare those red pieces to the yellow, if you put them on top of the yellow,
It equals the exact same thing. It's the same whole as it.
okay, so it takes 2 red pieces to make a whole. That's what this part of the fraction represents. This is called the denominator.
Yeah.
Okay, so what would a fraction look like if you have 1 red piece?
It'll be half.
So what would the fraction look like?
2 over 1.
What would the fraction look like?
1 over 2.
Right, 1 over 2. So that means that 1 of the 2 pieces
Are being used.
So this is half of a whole. 1
Yeah.
out of 2.
Yeah.
Alright? So let's look at the next greatest piece over there.
It's blue.
How many pieces do you have?
I have 3.
Alright, so let's write that as a fraction. 3. So what's this bottom number called again?
The denominator.
Denominator. And that's telling you how many pieces
do you have?
all together of the entire set.
Yeah.
Okay? So
That,
show me 1/3 using the blue pieces. 1/3.
that would be 2.
Show me 1/3 using the blue pieces.
I'm trying to get it on.
1/3 using the blue pieces. 1/3. Alright. How do you know that's 1/3?
Because 1 of them out of 3 are being used.
Alright. How do you write that as a fraction?
1 over 3.
Okay, good. Okay, let's look at the final pieces here. What color are those pieces?
Green.
Okay, and how many pieces do you have there?
6.
Okay, so we want to write that as a fraction. Green marker.
6.
6. So what would that look like as 1? And how do you know the 6 goes there?
Because all 6 fit in the shape.
And what's that shape that they fit in?
It'll fit in the whole.
The whole. So 6 pieces make up a whole. Let's see. Let's make sure. Okay, so your 6 pieces make up one whole. Now I want you to use the pieces that make up 1/6, and then write what that looks like. Make up the pieces that make up 1/6. Okay, what does that look like? Write the fraction 1/6. All right, there you go. Okay, and also, just for remembering, okay, when we're writing fractions, a fraction always has a denominator. Okay, and the denominator tells you how many pieces there are all that will give you one whole. Okay, that's what the denominator tells you. Okay, and then on the top you have a numerator. And the numerator tells you how many of the parts or set are being used. Okay, so you have denominator
and the numerator.